EarthPen.
Greetings, Earth explorers! Welcome back to EarthPen. Today, we're delving into the mesmerizing yet potentially devastating world of tsunamis. Join me as we uncover the science behind how earthquakes, particularly those under the ocean, can trigger these immense and destructive waves. Introduction to tsunamis. Let's begin with the basics. Tsunamis are large, powerful ocean waves generated by a sudden disturbance in or near the sea. While they're often associated with earthquakes, tsunamis can also result from volcanic eruptions, landslides, or even meteorite impacts. Earthquakes as tsunami triggers. Earthquakes are one of the most common sources of tsunamis. When an earthquake occurs beneath the ocean floor, it can lead to the displacement of a vast volume of water, setting the stage for a tsunami. Subduction zones. Many of the most powerful tsunamis originate in subduction zones, where one tectonic plate is forced beneath another. The friction between these plates prevents movement until it's overcome by stress buildup, leading to an earthquake. The seafloor displacement. During the earthquake, the seafloor can abruptly shift, pushing the water above it upward. This displacement creates a series of waves that radiate outward in all directions from the earthquake's epicenter. Tsunami characteristics. Tsunami waves can travel at incredible speeds, often over 500 miles per hour, 800 kilometers per hour, in deep ocean waters. While they may be just a few feet high in deep water, they can grow into towering waves as they approach shallow coastal areas. Tsunami warning systems. To mitigate the risks associated with tsunamis, many coastal regions have implemented tsunami warning systems. These systems use seismometers to detect undersea earthquakes and issue warnings to residents in vulnerable areas. Effects of tsunamis. The effects of tsunamis can be catastrophic. They can flood coastal communities, erode shorelines, and cause widespread destruction. Tsunamis are not just single waves, they often arrive in multiple waves, with the second or third wave being the most significant. Preparedness and safety. Living in tsunami-prone areas requires preparedness. Emergency plans, evacuation routes, and early warning systems are crucial for saving lives. In conclusion, understanding how earthquakes generate tsunamis is vital for the safety of coastal communities worldwide. Thanks for joining us today on EarthPen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions about tsunamis and earthquake-triggered waves in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our dynamic planet. Once again, this is EarthPen. Learning has never been this easy, for anyone, anywhere.